In this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to monetize our life in multiple ways. And when I say multiple ways, we're not only going to monetize our life, but we're also going to maximize our businesses. I'm going to show you how we're going to use one video that we're already doing work on, and we're going to repurpose that thing until it makes us money in a lot of different ways. Watch this. So look, this is the first thing I did. So I'm doing a video and I'm going to be sending it out. Me and my partner, Robert Heath, we did a video. We had somebody come on. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to edit the video out. But here's where we're going to start making money in multiple ways. Now, one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to put in some ads onto the video itself. Now, this ad is literally for the person that we had come on. Now, how we're going to end up making money in multiple ways is, one, we're going to now send that out. I'm probably going to run some ads to it, and that's going to literally bring more traffic to his website. Now, look at this. So here's some of the things I took from his website right here. This right here, Mastering High-Speed Wealth, all these kind of things. Now, he happens to be a trailer. We are the two business guys masterminding. We are masterminding with this particular guy. He's got all these different things right here. So I was able to take it, put it in Canva, cut it up a little bit, and then I'm telling you what I'm going to show you next is how we're going to go out there and we're going to take this information, we're going to chop it up, and then we're going to send him bits and pieces of it so he can say, yep, I like that. And then we're going to ask one big question. I'll show you that here in a second. So here's what I ended up doing. Now, if you look at here, I'm doing the edits right now. And what I was able to do is bring in those bits and pieces like right here, right here, and right here. And then I put it into the video. Now, don't worry about that. This particular program, it reduces out any drag on my system. So that's why it's blurry right now. It's basically saying, hey, we don't want to use up all of your resources. So we're going to leave the thing blurry. All right, so here it is. Now, I'm putting in particular ads in different areas. If you notice right here, I've got an ad right here. I've got a little bit of what is about his website right here. I've got another one at the 3:30 mark. I put it on the other side, and I did that all along the video. Now, I was able to add some extra pieces so that it transition in really, really well. And then as we're talking, as he hits different parts, what it is literally doing is then putting that piece up there. Now I can make it a little bit bigger and all that kind of stuff. You see it? Look at that. That's one right here. Let's go ahead and listen to it a little bit right here. Watch this.
Really came about, right? And I recognize that if I had to accomplish that.
So you see how I was able to fade it in. Now here is where we're going to maximize the money. I already had to edit the video. All right, that's great. So we're going to make money in one way. We're going to put it onto our sites. We're going to put it onto our different YouTube channels, all that kind of stuff. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, and this is how we're going to make a whole bunch of money from just one video. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say, hey, listen, would you like me to do more of these for your channel? That becomes the opportunity, if he says yes, to do more of these. The other way is when we run ads to it, what I'm going to do is, because he has a trading platform and all of that kind of stuff, and that's what we're talking about, I'm going to say, hey, I would love to be an affiliate for your trading program. Can you do a little something for us if we're able to send traffic your way? That becomes the other way on how we're going to make money with this thing. So I'm already editing the video. That's the one thing we're going to do. We're going to edit the video. We're going to put some little extra things in there. We're going to send it to him. We're going to ask, would you like me to do more of that? That could be a yes. That's the one way you're going to end up making money. We're going to run ads to it. We're going to say, hey, listen, I'm an affiliate for other products. I'd love to be an affiliate for yours. Is that something that is available? If he doesn't have it available, we're going to show him exactly how to do it so that we can get paid. Now, one of the next things is we're going to put it onto our own channel, and then we're going to maximize that from getting the hours and maybe the ads and all that kind of stuff. That's how we're going to take one video and we're going to make money from it all over the place. That becomes the key.